And this is also a one-way here. We're going to turn left at the lights. And we change lanes. To make your left turn, you need to get into that turning lane. See the road marking? And if you're not sure if that's a two-way that you're turning onto, you look up here. You got traffic lights that way. You got traffic lights. Yeah, so two-way traffic. Also, you might be able to see the yellow line over there.
Oh, yeah.
Further evidence that it's a two-way. So she's going to have the right of way. Wheels to the sidewalk over here. But when it turns green, you can still roll out, keeping your wheels straight. Roll out. There's also two lanes here too. It's not obvious again. Left lane. You always turn into the left lane first. Left lane. Okay, we'll make a right lane change. And we're turning right here. And so you fulfilled your legal obligation. You proceed with caution. Also, it's good to check your right blind spot before turning too. You might get those guys on a motorized scooter. There's two lanes here. You turn into the right lane, not the left lane. Straight. There's also two lanes here. Once we're in, then we make a left lane change. And a left turn at the lights. And oddly enough, this is really wide, but it's only one lane. So when it's one lane, you stay close to the yellow line. If you can see it. I suspect it's really wide here because that used to be a school, and I guess they might have had like school buses parking on the side, so it's a little wider here. My dad actually went to this school. We're gonna make a left turn at the stop sign.